Jaredeck shares 6 tips to become a mechanical engineer. Jaredeck has been passionate about machines and mechanical engineering ever since he was a child. In fact, the moment he learned how to read, he devoured every book on the subject that he could get his hands on, even skipping dinner in order to finish them faster. His love of engineering only grew when he got his first set of real tools and began working on his own projects in the garage with his father, who was an electrician and home remodeler at the time. He enjoys writing as a way to share his knowledge and experiences. He currently works at a company that designs machine tools for the automotive parts assembly lines. When he's not hard at work, he enjoys traveling, especially if it involves diving, surfing when he has the chance, and seeking out new opportunities to learn something new. With the increase of globalization and technology, mechanical engineering has taken a different path. Advancement in machine design and the need for mass production has driven the industry to be fast-paced, exciting and extremely competitive. Know what skill set to acquire before starting a career as a mechanical engineer. If you're considering starting a career as a mechanical engineer, you may be wondering what skills you need to acquire before getting started. There are many different career paths you can take as a mechanical engineer. Be sure to have an in-depth knowledge of different kinds of machines, what parts they consist of, and how they work before starting your career as an engineer. Before choosing mechanical engineering as your path, for example, ask yourself, are you good with your hands? Are numbers and geometry more your strong suit? Would you rather work in an office or out in field? Keep a positive attitude. A good outlook on life will always help you achieve your goals. Even when you're working hard on things that seem impossible to reach, keep in mind that it's all about progress, and even though you may be moving slowly towards your goal, you are still moving in a positive direction. If you keep a positive attitude and maintain a good outlook on life, then things will always work out for you. With a positive attitude, you can find yourself achieving even bigger goals than you initially thought possible. Setting smaller goals is important in keeping yourself motivated, and putting those small achievements together will add up to much more in just time. Think of each new goal as another piece of puzzle, and before long your picture will become clear. Become efficient with time management. Time management is an important part of success in any field, especially engineering. As an engineer, you'll likely be juggling multiple projects at once and working to meet deadlines. Being efficient with your time management can help you complete tasks on time and free up some extra time for yourself. The more efficient you are with your time, the more productive you'll be as an engineer. Work on your communication skills. Communication skills play an important role in many professions, especially engineering. When you're behind closed doors designing something, it can be easy to get caught up in your own world. The key is communicating effectively with others, whether you're meeting face-to-face or working remotely via email or chat. Here are some tips that can help you talk and listen your way through all aspects of your job. The ability to communicate well is arguably one of an engineer's most important skills. Pick the right college or university for you. When you're choosing your college or university, it's important to find one that fits your academic and extracurricular needs. Choose universities that have resources available to help students plan their career path, and ask current students about their experiences in each school. Whether you already know exactly what career path you want to take and what educational background is required for that field, or you have no idea what direction your life will take after graduation, figuring out which school is right for you can be an overwhelming decision. Get in touch with your creativity. Creativity is often thought of as an innate ability, something people are born with or without. But research suggests otherwise. Creativity can be taught through both implicit and explicit learning techniques. You can start to flex your creative muscles by finding new ways to break old habits and challenge yourself to come up with novel solutions for old problems, just like engineers do every day.